Alright, if you're having a problem with your door lock, this is the rear right passenger side. This is a 2001 Honda Accord. If you're having a problem with the door lock mechanism not wanting to lock the door, the problem is your actuator. Your actuator is basically broken. So what do you do if this happens on a weekend or you're out somewhere? Well, if you're out somewhere, you're probably gonna have to take it to a shop. But if it happens at night or on the weekend, easiest thing to do is take the door panel off, which involves, you gotta take a screw out of this piece. See that hole right there? Right in the middle. You gotta take that screw out. Then this piece will come off of the door panel. And you gotta take the screw out of this piece. See right down there? You can see the light through it. So you take and then you take that piece off. And you can pull the door panel off. And then what you can do, there are two screws on the actuator. One there, and there's one there. You take those two screws off, then you can, and then it'll normally be like that. You just kind of pull that off right there. Then you can take this off, and then you can take this off of here, and you'll be able to lock your door again. I'm going to go ahead and take the actuator off. I've already done it once. I'll go ahead and do it again. My suspicion is that the actuator is busted, and that's why this little gray piece can't move. The actuators are only like $8 on eBay, so I'll take the actuator off for now. We won't have the automatic door lock in the back, but at least we'll be able to lock up the car at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you. Alright, the actuator is now off. It's right here. And we can lock the door again. And if you notice, when I move the door lock, you can see there's the extension of the rod. It's right here. So you can actually see that move. So yeah, I am pretty sure that this little gray piece is supposed to be able to freely move whether the actuator is being activated or not, or at least be able to be moved. But this one is stuck, so I could probably take it apart and figure out what's wrong with it, but it's easier just to replace it. Like I said, like $8 on eBay. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get one ordered. Probably be here in about a week. So I'll have to replace it next weekend. Alright, I've got the new part. Got the door panel off. So time to replace it, find out if that was the problem. Alright, the new actuator is in. And here we go. Unlocked, locked, unlocked, locked. That's manual. Unlocked, locked. And that's working. Let's try the actuator now, make sure that still works. Okay, it flops around a little bit, but that's because the door panel's not on there. But yeah, it's working. So unlocked, locked, unlocked, locked, and then we can hit the actuator and it does the same thing. Unlocked, locked. So if your locking mechanism gets stuck, chances are you just need to replace your actuator.